of the world, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know? Carefully. A franchise. The choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already. When I come to represent. A full effecting man. You don't know what go. When we load up. Aim up. Crank up. Draw necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hey, nation people. It can't get no better than that. You see what I deal with? Pussy CCQ, him no like see when I show them place here. Him say a bare white people and Chinese people me hang around. But hear me. I want to know, make the general, the world boss, vybz kartel, and the co-accuse them. Big up themselves on the Father's Day. You see what I say? Happy Father's Day to the G. You see what I deal with? Yeah. Yeah, you soon get home, G. You know what I mean? No lollipop thing not in it. Yeah, that me I say. Happy Father's Day to the G vybz kartel. You know what I mean? Happy Father's Day to Sean Storm as well. You know what I mean? Happy Father's Day to Mad Sus. You see me? You know what I mean? Kyra, big up yourself. You know what I mean? You soon drop a road where you can get the youth them galore. No lollipop thing not that about it. You see me? Yeah. Them still up now the back dog. So when you forward the road, you just empty the clip. And you know what will be the material evidence. No gimmicks thing in it. So happy the one for all of Gaza Nation. Is what I say. And all of the hard working Gaza father who knows that them put in the work and make certain the youth them comfortable. You know 10 stars your love is in the house up to the time. No gimmicks thing that about it. Is what I deal with. Yeah. So one time when I jump on that video and I left the comment section. I make world boss and Sean Storm and Mad Sus know a happy Father's Day. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And freedom is a must. Because that's what I pray. We not stop say that. You see what I deal with? And that's what I say. You know what I mean? No gimmicks in our game, no lollipop thing in it. The way we represent nation people. You know what I mean? So we can't wait for this week forward so we can get to hear what go on or where them a cook up or where them a plan up. You see what I deal with? Or the G them out like scout. No lollipop thing in my game now, no gimmicks thing in it. You see what I deal with? You don't know how we represent already. A Gaza way there ain't no other way. No gimmicks thing not that about it, nation people. Yeah. We'd have to give the G them the life here for say happy Father's Day. You see what I deal with? Because I'll tell you something. You're not gonna have some boy well no respect the G them. Not because of people where them know or people where them used to. It's all because, you know what I mean, they are nothing but some followers who follow what people say. And some of them are cloud chaser, you know what I mean? Some of them don't really mean nothing it's all about the clout, or some of them are the money. You know what I mean? Because anything where you call the G name, you know, it have to do with money. No joke shit no dead about it. You call the G names, it will accumulate some money. No the next thing no dead about it. Whether you are artist, you know what I mean? Whether you are fan, whatever. So when I did in a certain time, the artists them go up on the big show. They like say free world boss. You know what I mean? And are the biggest forward them get for the night. But guess what? When the freedom they right on the corner, I don't see nobody a forward out and I say free world boss. So I see say well then people intimidated by the freedom. So right now we now wait for them to say happy Father's Day to the world boss. And to Rasclad, Sean Storm, and to Matsus. You know what I mean? When the car come a road, them know what to do. Empty the clipper of you galore. Now give mix thing there in my game, now the lollipop thing in a Nation people. You know the general the 10 star wanna represent. That's what I say. Big up Federal Entertainment. Federal Gaza. You know what I mean? Now give mix thing there in my game. Big up the whole of Rust Town, the whole of Jungle, the whole of Trench Town, the whole of Rima, the whole of Hornet Garden. Waterford, you don't know about badness go already. Teacher, soon touch the road with the clip them load. No lollipop thing that in night at the general, the 10 star one I represent. What? Yo, Nation people, to all of the hard working fathers them. Happy Father's Day, my G. Oh,